Time now for NTV's First Alert weather forecast.
Well, welcome back. A much colder day behind that cold front. The winds were gusting behind that front as well. Thankfully, those winds a little bit lighter compared to this morning, and even into parts of this afternoon, we had those stronger wind gusts. But we are looking at those wind gusts now lighter. Those wind gusts were measuring over 50 miles per hour in several spots earlier on today, but those temperatures much cooler compared to yesterday at this time. Many spots around 20 to around 30 degrees cooler compared to yesterday evening. So it is a cooler day. Thankfully, temperatures improve tomorrow, but as you can see, a good part of the area in those 40s at this hour. As you head farther to the west, though, 50s and 60s currently this evening. Now, as tonight goes on, temperatures are going to fall down into the 30s for much of the area. We are looking at the possibility for some frost to develop in the overnight hours. 43 at bedtime, 37 as we head toward breakfast, and then 50 degrees by the midday hour. So already some improvement by the noon hour, with the possibility for some shower and storm activity. Very hit or miss in the afternoon hours. Those chances increase, though, as we head into tomorrow night. But speaking of that frost, here's a look at the frost advisory. These areas shaded in blue, that's where we are expecting some widespread frost thanks to some cold temperatures overnight. So if you have any sensitive vegetation, be sure to bring it inside tonight, because there is that potential for widespread frost. Now, just outside of this area, including the Tri-Cities, could see some patchy frost. So that's what we're looking at ahead late tonight and into Sunday morning. Otherwise, Futurecast tonight showing those continued quiet conditions that remains into the day on Sunday. Although Sunday, once again, going to be windy, gusts up to around 30 miles per hour possibility. We'll be watching the afternoon hours, could start to see some showers and storms developing, maybe a few strong to severe storms in the afternoon and into the evening hours. But as the night progresses, we'll continue to see some rain around, even some embedded thunderstorms, and off and on chances for rain continue the next several days, and temperatures are going to get cold enough in western parts of the state as we head into Monday night into Tuesday morning. They are looking at snow that is expected to fall there. That is favored for western parts of the state up into northwest Nebraska. Elsewhere, temperatures going to stay warm enough that we should just see rain. But let's start off with our severe outlook for Sunday. This is the marginal risk. So near this marginal risk on Sunday, we'll be watching for the possibility for a few strong to severe storms. Large hail and damaging winds look to be the main threats in the afternoon and evening hours. Now looking ahead to Monday night and into Tuesday morning time frame, looks like we could see some accumulating snow for parts of western Nebraska, possibly 1 to 3 inches of snow for areas farther to the west. As you head farther to the east, an inch or less of snow. The good news is, looks like it will happen Monday night into Tuesday morning, so maybe creating some issues for your Tuesday morning commute in western parts of the state. But as Tuesday goes on, temperatures expected to climb above freezing, so that should melt fairly quickly in those parts of the state. But for the Tri-Cities tonight, 36 for a low tonight. Can't rule out maybe some patchy frost late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Winds will be a little bit breezy at times. Windy, though, tomorrow gusts up to around 30 miles per hour, and that chance for showers and storms coming in the afternoon hours. We'll top out around 63, 42 for tomorrow night. Showers and storms become likely for the Tri-Cities as we head toward tomorrow night, and temperatures not quite as cool as what we're expecting for tonight and into tomorrow morning. Several spots tonight expected to drop down into those 30s. As we head into the day tomorrow, improved temperatures compared to today. Highs mainly in those 60s. A few spots will hit those 70s. 70s favored in parts of southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Now temperatures a little bit of a mix throughout the next week. We have some cooler days. Looks like Tuesday will be the coolest day with lots of cloud cover around. Showers, even some isolated storms are likely for the Tri-Cities on Tuesday. That active pattern continuing, several chances for rain and thunderstorms the next 7 days, and temperatures start to warm, though, as we head toward the later part of next week.
I thought snow was going to be completely out of the forecast now, and we've got a little bit in the other parts.
Western parts of the state, yeah. Western and north central parts of the state. Unfortunately, sometimes it just hangs on a little bit longer, but
we'll send some sun your guys' way.
Yeah, there you go.
We'll try.
See what you can do, right?
All right, thanks, Regina.